Sex determination in humans. To understand sex determination in humans, first let's understand what is sex determination. A sex determination system is a biological system that determines the development of sexual characteristics in an organism that helps us to know whether the offspring is a male or a female. The development of the concept of sex determination was led by observations made in a number of insects. In 1891, a cytologist named Hermann Paul August Otto Hanking traced a specific nuclear structure in a few insects, and it was also observed by him that 50% of the sperm received this structure after spermatogenesis, whereas the other 50% sperm did not receive it. Hanking gave a name to this structure as X-body, but he could not explain its significance. Further investigations concluded that this X-body was a chromosome, and thus it is named as X chromosome. It was also observed that sex determination in insects is of exotype. This means that all eggs have an additional X chromosome, besides the other chromosomes. While some sperms had X chromosomes whereas some did not. Eggs fertilized by sperm having this X chromosome became females, and those fertilized by sperms that did not have an X chromosome became males. As this X chromosome helps to determine the sex of the offspring, it is known as the sex chromosome. And the rest of the chromosomes are known as autosomes. The other example for this is grasshopper. Grasshopper also have exotype of sex determination, in which the males have only one X chromosome, besides the autosomes, whereas females have a pair of X chromosomes. Many investigations were done on a number of species, to understand the mechanism of sex determination. In a number of other insects and mammals including man, XY type of sex determination is seen, where both male and female have same number of chromosomes. In males, an X chromosome is present, but its counterpart is smaller, and is called as the Y chromosome. On the other hand, females have a pair of X chromosome. Both males and females bear same number of autosomes, that is 22 pairs of autosomes. Hence, the males have 22 pairs of autosomes plus XY, and females have 22 pairs of autosomes plus XX. In both, human beings and Drosophila, the males have one X and one Y chromosome, whereas females have a pair of X chromosome besides autosomes. Now we have seen XO and XX type of sex determination. But in both cases, males produce two different types of gametes, that is either with or without X chromosome, or some gametes with X chromosome and some with Y chromosome. This type of sex determination is known as male heterogamity. While in some other organisms, like birds, a different mechanism of sex determination is seen. In this case too, the total number of chromosome is same in both males and females. But here, two different types of gametes in terms of the sex chromosomes, are produced by females, and not males. And thus it is known as female heterogamity. In order to distinguish this type of sex determination, the two different sex chromosomes of a female bird are denoted as C and W chromosomes. In these organisms the females have one C and one W chromosome, whereas males have a pair of Z chromosomes, that is two Z chromosomes besides the autosomes. Now let's see. Sex determination in humans. We already know that sex determination in humans is of XY type. Out of 23 pairs of chromosomes present, 22 pairs are exactly same in both males and females. And these chromosomes are known as autosomes. The remaining one pair out of 23 pairs of chromosome are the sex chromosomes. In humans, females have two X chromosomes as sex chromosome, while males have a pair having one X and one Y chromosome. During development of sperms in males, two types of gametes are produced. Out of the total sperms produced in males, 50% have X chromosome and the rest 50% have Y chromosome. While in females, only one type of ovum having X chromosome is produced. This creates an equal probability of fertilization of the ovum with the sperm carrying either X or Y chromosome. In case the ovum fertilizes with a sperm carrying X chromosome, the zygote develops into a female, that is XX, and if the fertilization is by a sperm having Y chromosome, it results into a male offspring. Thus, it is evident that the genetic makeup of the sperm determines the sex of the child. It is also evident that in each pregnancy there is always 50% probability of either a male or a female child. It is very unfortunate that in our society women are blamed for producing female children, and have been ill-treated because of this false belief. This completes sex determination. So what do you think? Is the sperm or the egg responsible for the sex of the chicks in birds? Comment down your answers.